Hello, everyone. The African National Congress presidential hopeful Dr. Zweli Mkhize has expressed optimism ahead of the ANC National Conference. He was speaking at Ugu Sports and Leisure Center in the Lower South Coast. He said, "We are going to this conference with confidence derived from the support we have witnessed and received from the ANC rank and file. I salute the KZN provincial leadership and leaders in other provinces and regions for having afforded me the opportunity to interact with the ANC members at branch level, as they are the ones who nominated me." Mkhize said that it has been a humbling experience to interact with the ANC members and delegates ahead of the 55th National Conference. He said, "Based on our interaction, we have agreed that the responsibility to ensure that the ANC-led government delivers lies in the hands of the ANC members more so than it does with the opposition. This is how the ANC should approach its work and its program of action. Moving forward, we have responsibility to promote unity within the ANC and its alliance partners. Unity means encouraging participation to decisions being taken so that people who are opposing views openly exchange ideas and debate their differences without feeling they belong to different sides, but rather members of the same team exploring different aspects of a common challenge to agree on a common solution or a program of action." Do you think Zweli Mkhize is the next president of the ANC? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.